Okay, so in the last couple of videos we've looked at advanced custom fields, and we've allowed the administrator to change certain things such as the text on the website. And in this video we're going to make our website even more customizable by allowing the admin or a certain user to change the background featured image without knowing how to code. And WordPress allows us to do this in what they call custom headers. So if you go over to Google and search for the codex custom headers, and it should be the first result. Okay, so go into the custom headers section, and then if we scroll down the page and if we look for the example, so copy this example and then go into the functions.php, and this can go right at the very bottom but still within the PHP tags. So we're not going to have the fixed width, so we can remove that, or the fixed height. So I'm just going to comment these two lines out. And then we've got the default image path in case the user doesn't upload an image. So the default image is going to be the Lake BG, and that's within our images folder, so that's okay. So save that, and I just want to add one more thing into the array, which is uploads. So this allows the user to upload an image. So uploads equal to or greater than, and that's going to be a boolean of true. And then if we go into the header.php, we can change the image location. So find that file and then scroll down to the feature section at the bottom, and then we can delete the image source, so everything between the double quotations. So rather than having this image which is being pulled in from our theme folder, we can use the custom header. So between the PHP tags we'll use the WordPress function of header underscore image and save that, and then go over to the WordPress dashboard, down to appearance, and then customize, and then select the header image, and we can add a new image. So this is the post thumbnail, so we'll upload a new image. So in your images folder there's a second background in there which is Lake BG2, so select that and open, and then put in the alt text of Lake background, and then select that and skip cropping, and then save and publish. So once that's saved, just tick the X in the corner and then go to visit site, and there's our new image as the background. So now that makes it really easy for the site owners to change the background image. They just need to go into the dashboard and customize like we just did then. And that's the end of this video, so thanks for watching.